Alrighty-o, YouTube. Got a cool video planned out. We're gonna spend about 5-6 hours out here on the river, catch some fish. We're gonna eat these fish. Yeah, we're gonna hold the spot. Water is a chilly, about 66 degrees Fahrenheit. Because my, what's it called, my scale. It has a temperature reading thing. It's dope. So we're tossing grubs on jig heads. Yeah. I believe we're both tossing 3-inchers on jig heads. I know. Because if we could like put them on the live line out by camp, then
if we can catch them down there.
Oh, I had a fish. Exactly.
Just let them do their thing over there.
Oh, that's a fish. Swear to God.
Walleye!
Little guy, but
second cast, baby.
Yeah, that is definitely not an eater. Dude, he's such a pretty fish. Alright.
Second cast?
Second cast. He murdered it too. Like it was nothing. What are you fishing, chartreuse? Yeah, it's like chartreuse with red flake.
It's copper flake.
Copper flake.
Look, I'm gonna get a nice little chartreuse copper flake. Check that out.
Yummy. I'm fishing a tin foil.
That's a little further back, honestly.
Yep.
We gotta try to get a little bit deeper. I mean, maybe like a foot and a half. That's good.
We just gotta find some harboring big smallies and possible walleye.
We need to get into those big rocks there. Do you see those?
Oh, that's juicy. Hey, and all you gotta do is shuck the meat out of the shells and cook it with your food. Oh, I got a big hit. Yeah. It wasn't a snag, I can guarantee it. Oh, geez, I just saw him flash at it.
Really?
Yeah, it was a little guy. He flashed at it, yeah. It was like a tad bit bigger than the first one I caught. Oh, this wind is gonna be fun too. Tiny ones. I'm on a fish. I'm on a snag. No! Dude, we got yakkers coming. Oh, Peyton. It gets pretty deep here. Yeah. This break right here has got to be harboring something. Oh, that's gonna get some. I'd be so surprised if the bubblegum color worked. Oh, dude, look at that little rock break right there. Look directly in front of you. That pool, dude, is gonna harbor something. No. I don't think, oh no, maybe we did.
No, we did go back there. It's super shallow from what I remember. I remember last time though, we didn't come out here, we just walked along there and we cast it straight out.
Yeah.
So.
Remember on the other side we caught some too.
Yep. There's a big, you see that big open water out there?
Yeah.
The islands, we have to go there.
Dude, we got 5 hours. We could wait a mile downstream if we wanted to.
I think a mile downstream is Montgomery Dam.
We could go there for muskie.
Compost baits. Imagine.
That would be so nice.
Try to launch one over that at work. Actually, I got a 1-way launcher.
That was nice.
I might drift into it a little bit.
What size is this? 1/16?
Yeah, you're on a 16.
Beautiful.
Black.
Oh shit.
Nice.
Dude, hell of a cast.
You got that rolling right now?
Yeah.
I'm about to catch something. Dude, if we can get under that rock, you see that there?
Yeah.
That's all way. I'm gonna let this drift. Deeper water here.
Yeah. That's an eater. Come on, pinch me. Pinch me. Oh, there he goes. He's coming towards you. Do you see him? He's right there.
Too much sun glare. I can't see shit.
Right there. Oh, I got him.
Really?
Yeah. Ow. Ow, you son of a bitch. Pull him off. Ah.
Where? What?
There's nothing.
What finger did you get?
This one.
Ow.
That hurts so bad. I don't know, dude. He's too strong, man. I honestly feel like I have to let him go. He bested me. There you go, Mr. Pro. Yes? No. Oh, it's a sucker.
It's a walleye.
You're f***ing kidding. You're f***ing kidding. It's a walleye. It's a walleye. Let's f***ing go, Peyton. Let's f***ing go. Oh my God, it's a walleye. I thought it was a sucker. Oh, let's go, dude. Dude, imagine what's up there. Imagine what's up there.
Dude, this is monumental. What's this walleye? I think it's 9 inches. I can get off the hook.
Yeah,
go in the big pot, the top pocket of my backpack. Grab out my phone.
I got the, what's it called too?
Here, you get it. Get a picture of those teeth in there, right? I just need a picture of those teeth. Oh, shit. Hold up, I gotta get a better grip. He's pinching me. Ah, you mother. Wait, is this a pike? No, it's a walleye.
Yeah, it's a walleye all
I
day.
saw the little patterns on it. Let me get this mouth.
Open his teeth.
Wait, let me get this.
All right, there you go.
Wait,
Here,
let me get a picture. Let me put my pinky in its gills. Hold it out, make it look huge. Let me get one like this though first. He's fucking going crazy.
Good catch. We got to get an underwater release. Ooh, good catch again.
I'm so good at this. Hold up, let me calm him down. Just like that?
Do you want your face?
No, I'll get one with my face. It's a beautiful fish.
Go, dude.
Wait, let me get one in the gills. I think that'd just be hilarious.
Yeah, we can't eat that.
No shit.
But dude, a walleye.
Oh my God, my finger, if he bites down.
All right, here, let me see this. Let's get an underwater release and show the camera.
Dude,
Peyton caught a walleye.
Let's measure it. Get an estimate here.
Here, I got my scale.
My phone is 6.3 inches, so I give it about 8.5.
All right. Yeah, he's got teeth here. Let's see. Let's see. I don't think they can puncture skin unless he bites. Let's see. Dude, you caught a walleye. Spooked. Dude, we have dinner. Yes! Dude, you're the goat. Holy shit.
This is about 6 inches long.
Not neither, but it's a walleye. Get over here. Get fucking over here, dude. You're kidding.
Another walleye. Let's go. You see that spot up there? Point that GoPro that way. You see that spot? I'm about to hammer them.
I mean, shit, fish. What is it? Oh, it's a...
Walleye.
That's a walleye and it swallowed it.
Got a walleye.
I caught a walleye.
I know there's suckers in here too.
Oh.
I'm gonna catch one off this cast. Hold 10 on your deep like that. See if it's on the fucking it's nice, it's nice. Good fish.
Yeah.
I saw my line twitching and I was like, oh boy. I think we keep slow rolling it like this and a big walleye.
Yeah.
Slow rolling it against that current.
And I have huge grubs too on me. Or not on, yeah, on me, because you have my GoPro bag. I have like 4-incher grubs. So
I honestly think we can get some small grubs and a bigger one's gonna come us. I mean, notice how we got...
Dude, do you want to just go pack up our camp and bring it down here?
Too much of a struggle. Because then we're gonna have to walk back to the car with all this shit on us.
Oh, you're right.
It's good, it's good, it's good. You see those heads?
Ooh! Dude, I saw that ripple. I saw that ripple. I saw that ripple. It's a striper!
Yes!
It's a striper white. Wait, is it a striper or a white?
It's a wiper, it's a wiper.
Wait, let me see. Let me
Wait,
see.
wait, wait, it's gonna go off. It's gonna go off. It's gonna go
I got it. I got it. That's a striper. That's a purebred striper. It's a pure striper.
Right, it is.
It's a pure stripe. Oh my God, dude.
What? We're eating this, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Look at that pretty little striper.
shit. All right,
Actually,
go
we
back.
shouldn't eat this. I can't.
Okay,
eat
it's
this.
too pretty.
I've never caught a striper. I've only caught a white bass. Get the underwater release. So that's okay.
Dude.
Head shakes and I knew it was something decent.
Oh my god. We have stumbled upon a gold mine. Let's not even go for muskie. There's no point. We're just gonna species map this entire thing with grubs.
If there's a muskie in here, it's gonna. Let's go left. Let's go left to the log jam. See how calm it is over there?
Dude, I'm gonna go under them roots and I'm gonna noodle out another fish. Imagine a giant flathead just swallowing my entire arm, like a double digit.
20 pounds. A double digit? There ain't no way there's doubles in here.
Oh no, upstream, yeah.
Still finding here. I just lost one.
Up in Algonquin, my buddy caught a 25-pound.
Yeah, but that goes right into the Fox Lake.
Oh, you're right.
Huge fucking flatties in Fox.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna cry.
Dude, we're catching them every fucking.
Do you hear your fucking dude? That's got to be another wiper or a
Yeah, I think it's another. It's bigger. It's bigger.
dude. Okay, we gotta eat it. We gotta eat it. Watch your reel. Watch your reel. Here, I got you. I'll hold it. Got it. All right, drag that back. Dude, holy shit. Drag that back. Get the, what's it called?
Let's all go back.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna check the log. Oh.
Beautiful Fox River wiper, baby. Let's fucking go.
All right, we're gonna call my dad.
So they are all on the rocks. Quite literally, like, that's the move, right?
Yeah, look.
I'm gonna keep right here.
See, I just go right there and I'll hook up, I bet. Hit.
No, I bet you won't.
I probably, nope, I'm on. Oh, it's big.
Hold on. Keep it up. That's a walleye.
Yeah, it's a walleye for sure. Oh my gosh.
It's a big smallie.
Oh, it's huge, dude. It's huge.
You gotta let this thing fight. You gotta let this thing fight.
Oh! It's nice. It's really nice.
It's about, I would say it's 2.5. Damn! This thing has a lot in it, bro.
I got it.
It's a really good.
Got it. Oh my god.
No.
I got it. Oh my
That's a
gosh.
good fucking smallie.
That's amazing.
That's a football, bro.
It is.
That's a football. I would definitely give that 2.5.
I can't live line this.
You can't. No. It's just don't do that.
Too big. Yeah, too big.
The rocks. The rocks. Well, there's a big smallie concentration. There's something else there.
All right. Can you hold on to my rod real quick once you're done? I'm gonna take a picture with the GoPro. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Hell yeah. Hello, fight.
Don't focus. Is it on?
Yep. Okay, I am on either a huge smallmouth or a walleye. And I'm thinking walleye. The head shakes are massive.
I'm thinking walleye. It would have jumped right there if it was a smallie.
Yep.
Got a big thing? This is the one on the...
Yes, sir it is.
What is it? Gender reveal. Be prepared.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
remember how the carp was? You gotta say,
Oh, yeah.
it's a walleye.
It's a walleye all day.
It's a walleye.
Oh, it's a walleye. Yeah, you saw that flash. Fuck
It's a
yes.
big walleye. Alright, listen, you gotta focus, because if this fish is off, I might kill myself.
No, I literally will. Should we work it to the bank?
This bank, yeah.
Yep, it's a big walleye.
It's a big walleye. I think it might be the one from earlier. Keep that rod tip sagging.
Oh.
It's a really big walleye, Matt. It's bigger than the one
Yes.
earlier. It's bigger than the one earlier.
Yes,
It's
she's
like 2
tired.
inches
She's
big.
tired. She's tired. She's tired.
Gliding. It's a huge walleye.
Yes, sir.
Matt, it's a gigantic walleye.
Look at that thing.
Look at this spook shoot. It's a gigantic walleye. Dude, it's huge. Matt, it's fucking... Okay, here you go. Don't let it out. Don't let it swim. Don't let it swim. Let me go right now.
It's up. It's up. It's up. It's up. Get it. Get it. Get it.
We're good. She's secured.
Okay, get it up onto the bank. We're going up onto the bank for this.
A monstrous walleye.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, I got it. I got it. Go out.
Ow, 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 ow. Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh. Oh. All right, so with 7% left, if you remember, Peyton tossed in a smallmouth fillet and we caught something. We named him Leroy. He's a West Coast turtle and he bit me. Oh, he's not happy. We're gonna have to cut the line because he swallowed the hell out of the hook.
Let me get a picture of it.
I'm gonna grab his tail. Oh, he's an alligator, I think. He's old too.
No way. That is an alligator.
Yeah, he's old too. Come here, buddy. Ooh.
I got him.
No, I wanna get him in the GoPro film. Ugh.
It is an
Yeah.
alligator, you're right.
Yeah, look at that meaty neck. Gonna bite the camera? Bite the camera. Bite the camera. All right.
Great. As long as you just...
All right, we got this giant smallie head, so I'm gonna try to steal this fish back from him. Got it. There we go. Dude, I stole the fish back. Let's see if he eats the head. Oh! Oh, dude, he's coming after me. He's coming after me. Hey, don't you turn around. I'm trying to feed you. Big old smallie head. Here you go, homeboy. Eat it. Oh, dude, he just smacked it. Okay. 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 Here we go. Here you go. Oh! Where's the smallie head? There it is. Okay. No, give me the smallie head again. Dude, he's just sitting under there. All right. Ready? Get it. Oh! All right. Oh, yeah, he got the smallie head. Oh, yeah. Oh! All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. This will take a long time to edit, and this will be a long video, but I really think it was worth it. So if you enjoyed this long freaking video, please subscribe, press like, and comment any requests. I'm pretty sure we're strong enough to do anything you guys want. Oh, so yeah. See you guys in the next video.